guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete Safari from iPhone. So in order to do that, first of all, find Safari application on your home screen, then long tap on it. Now over here you'll see various options. Just tap on remove app. Now over here, unlike in other applications, you can't see the option of delete app. However, you only have the option of remove from home screen, which means that you will be only able to remove Safari from your home screen. So in order to delete Safari, there's another way that you can follow. So what you would need to do is simply open Settings application on your iPhone. Now once you come here, simply tap on Screen Time. Now over here, scroll down below and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now over here, make sure that the toggle for Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on. After that, you'll see the option of Allowed Apps. Tap on it. Now over here, you can see that the toggle for Safari is turned on. Simply turn it off. And then if you go back to your home screen, you can see that the Safari application has been removed. So that's how you can simply delete Safari from iPhone. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.